All right. How's it going? Yeah, so I'm like out here. I didn't video me coming in, but flew to a softball tournament here in Kidron. Pretty cool. My wife's team ended up winning. So that's cool. Beautiful night. Sun's just starting to go down. So I'm going to go back here. That way I got a little bit more roll. I wouldn't have to go down here, but I'm going to just to make it a little bit longer of a roll. Alrighty, here we go. What a gorgeous night. I mean, it couldn't be much nicer than that. How cool. Mine's the softball tournament. I'm flying back. Never really thought I'd use my Ultralight for that. People waving everywhere. Everybody's out on a Saturday night. Sun's going down. Ooh, that wheat smells real good. Gas is still on. Flaps are up. Have no flaps. Rudder still works. Elevator, yep, we're all good. Seatbelts on, get ready to land. We're making a steep approach, folks. Just hold your seatbelt real tight. Just trying to get it down here. There you go. Now we're back home. Thanks for hanging out. I don't know what I'll really make out of the video, but thanks for cruising with Yoder Airlines. We'll see you later. Oh, that thing that YouTubers ask people to do. Like and subscribe.